Cambridgeshire County Council is a lead local flood authority and is one of several public bodies responsible for managing flooding. If you have experienced flooding inside your property or business premises, it is extremely important that you let us know after the event and don't just assume someone else will, even if many of your neighbours are also affected. By reporting your flood, you are helping us build up a detailed picture of the scale of flooding in your area, and this can trigger us undertaking a formal flood investigation, as required by law. More importantly, if we know a property or business has flooded, we may be able to help reduce the risk of it happening again. Funding to build flood alleviation schemes is largely dependent on the number of properties that have been directly affected by flooding. The most accurate information we can gather to obtain this funding is by you reporting flooding to us. Some people worry that by reporting flooding, their information may be shared with insurance companies, or that it might mean their property is difficult to sell in the future. Please be assured we will never pass your information on to insurers, and none of our reports list specific properties that have been flooded. Reporting a flood is a quick and easy online process. Just click the link below to start reporting a flood. If you do experience any difficulties reporting a flood or have any questions, please contact us via email at floodandwater@cambridgeshire.gov.uk. Please remember, only report flooding to us after the event and when it is safe to do so.